What's good? This your boy Crazy J with crazyj.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money from merchandise just like that, right? So I'm going to make it as simple as I possibly can. Hopefully this won't go over your head and you can start doing this like this week. So here's the thing. A lot of the times when people are doing merchandise, especially artists, they tend to buy things in bulk. And when you buy things in bulk, there's some pros to it. You know, you get things at a cheaper rate. You might buy 200 t-shirts and pay $4 or $5 per t-shirt. The problem with that is, the big con is that you have to actually have somewhere to put the t-shirts, and then you have to physically sell the t-shirts yourself. You have to go from person to person giving them these t-shirts, so it can be daunting. And then not only that, but the majority of people at some point, they get to the point to where they can't sell all the t-shirts that they have. It might be a specific size where they're like, man, we got 20 mediums left. What do we do with them? And a lot of times they end up becoming wash towels for cars, and they end up being in people's garages for years. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna completely circumvent that by using what's called print on demand. And what print on demand does is it allows you to not have to worry about buying your merchandise in bulk. It actually prints your t-shirts and your different merchandise as the sales are coming through. So that way, if you score yourself a winning product, you don't have to wait and order 200 t-shirts to figure out if the product is a winning product. You can literally make it in 5 to 10 minutes and then put it up online, have people buying it, and then you don't have to worry about keeping inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping. These print on demand services will handle all of that for you. They'll even do some of the customer support for you. It's pretty dope. So I'm just going to show you. This is a t-shirt launch that I did yesterday. I only did it for five shirts, right? So of those 5 shirts, I charged $50 per shirt. Bam, 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 bam. And that came out really nice. So that means that I literally sold out of this shirt. And so you're looking at $250 right there. And I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna make another line of shirts to where I can sell 5, and I might do it to where I sell 5 a day. I'm not sure yet, but what I do know is that what I have here is a winning product. I can sell this t-shirt for $50 and people don't mind parting with that. So what I'm going to show you is this website right here. It's called Printful. I said Rentful. Okay, there we go. Printful. So Printful is really cool because it gives you the ability to have access to all of these different products without having to worry about inventory. And so let's see here. I'm gonna go to product template, see what's in here. So it'll actually allow you to create things like backpacks and socks and just home decor. Like it's really, really cool. So you could literally go here. Oh, they do candles. Now that's dope. I did not know that. Water bottles, notebooks. Like there's so many things that they do. Bean bags. Look at this, man. Had no idea. So you could literally select whatever product that you want from Printful and then design the product, which I will go ahead because I have access to some designs here, and I'll just use this as an example. Of course it wouldn't be that, but yeah, I could literally take this and let's see, background fill. Let's see. I could take this, sell it right now, make about a $30, $40 profit, and this is just one product. It also does a mock-up. So let's see what the mock-up looks like. Very simple, but if you had creativity, you could go to the moon with this, man. You could go to the moon with it. Another thing, let's go back, and then we go to, let's see here, and just making this video on the fly, man. Hopefully it helps somebody. But let's see, review much. What we want to do, we actually want to make something. So let's go back and then go to, let's see, product template, create new product. So we're just gonna make a quick t-shirt. Let's see here. So we're gonna pick the t-shirt. We'll use this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose the file. And then from here, what we'll do is we'll apply the graphic. Now this graphic here is a little small. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in, I'm gonna crop it so I can have a little bit more control of sizing it. And later on, I'm gonna turn this file into another file format. But for right now, for the purpose of showing you guys, I'm doing it this way. All right, so literally, just like that, I have a shirt that I can sell. Just like that. Now, if I want to, I can switch to different colors. I can see which color looks best. And even in my store, once I get ready to launch it, I can have it to where I have multiple colors. So there's really no way to lose with this. And then as these orders are coming in, you don't have to worry about buying the t-shirts in bulk. Like literally, the orders will come in. A site like Printful will handle all the fulfillment. They'll handle the shipping for you and everything. The only thing that you have to worry about especially when you first start out, is that you want to make sure that you do your price margins correctly, because you want the sales from your t-shirts to pay for the price that it costs for Printful to make it and ship it. So say for instance, right now it says that this is going to be, we'll say roughly $20 for them to create it. So I would price this at maybe $40, $40 or $50, and you'll be able to sell this. Believe it or not, what this is doing is it's giving people the ability to support you. And I know contrary to what a lot of artists think, oh man, people don't support my movement, they don't support this. It's not that they don't support. A lot of times it's that we price our products too low, right? So definitely make sure to keep that in the back of your mind. Price your products accordingly so that you don't have to sell so many, and so that the people that really rock with you can spend that $50 or $100 to support your music. But yeah, anyway, so once you've done this, you can take the this image here, you can save the template, And yeah, I could go ahead and add it to my store right now and start selling it, which I will probably do once I've fixed that graphic. I need to do a couple of things to it, but hopefully you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. You don't have to buy your products in bulk. You can use something like Printful and it will handle all of that for you. If you're wanting to sign up for Printful, it's absolutely free. I'll leave a link in the description, or there'll be a button down below that you can click on and you can sign up for Printful. It's really, really, really dope. It's helped me help my clients make a lot of money. So definitely take advantage of it. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm very accessible, at least I try to be. And yeah, on to the next video. Love y'all. Peace out.